Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today we look at shipping in the Tilbury and Gravesend area from the afternoon of the 24th of November 2021. We begin the video with the RoRo cargo ship CELESTINE on a sailing up the river to Dagenham. CELESTINE was built in 1996 and sails under the flag of Malta. Its home port is Valletta. CELESTINE is 163 metres long, 26 metres wide, and has a draft of 5.3 metres. Coming down the river now, we have the container ship CMA CGM MURCIA on a sailing from here at Tilbury to Dunkirk East. CMA CGM MURCIA was built in 2008 and sails under the flag of Malta. Its home port is Valletta. It has a carrying capacity of 1,036 TEU or 20-foot equivalent units. For more information on TEU, please click on the link above. CMA CGM MURCIA is 152 metres long, 24 metres wide, and has a reported draft of 6.7 metres. At the front of the ship, you can see the Union flag being flown as a courtesy flag. A courtesy flag is flown by a ship when it is sailing in a particular country's waters as a courtesy. This is a courtesy only and not an actual law. Most ships when sailing in United Kingdom waters fly the red ensign, but CMA CGM MURCIA appears to be flying the Union flag instead. The next ship coming up the river is the cargo ship UNITAS-H on a sailing from Rotterdam to here at Tilbury. Here we see UNITAS-H and CMA CGM MURCIA passing each other. UNITAS-H is 89 metres long, 12 metres wide, and has a reported draft of 3.8 metres. It was built in 2020 and sails under the flag of Cyprus. Its home port is Limassol. At the front of the ship, UNITAS-H is flying the Union flag as a courtesy flag as it is sailing within United Kingdom waters. Here we see Thames Swift operating from Gravesend on the far side of the river to Tilbury on the near side. Coming up the river now, we have the tanker Star ARUBA on a sailing from Rotterdam to Purfleet. Star ARUBA was built in 1972 and sails under the flag of the Netherlands. It is 71 metres long, 10.1 metres wide, and has a reported draft of 3 metres. We now see the port tender ALMERE 4 sailing up the river from here at Gravesend to London. ALMERE 4 is 28 metres long, 4 metres wide, and has a draft of 1 metre. Here we see ALMERE 4 passing the former LV-21 lightship and Gravesend Pier. We now see the port tender Patrol, which is used by the Port of London Authority as a pilot vessel. It is 16 metres long, 5 metres wide, and has a draft of 2.5 metres. Here we see the Gravesend Lifeboat, which is called Olive Laura Deer 2. It is an Atlantic 85 class lifeboat and came on station in 2008. Having started its voyage in Purfleet, we now see the tanker TUNCER sailing down the river. TUNCER was built in 2019 and sails under the flag of Malta. Its home port is Valletta. It is 124 metres long, 17 metres wide, and has a draft of 5.4 metres. You can see that it is flying the half white, half red flag to indicate that it has a pilot on board, and it is also flying the Union flag as a courtesy flag because it is sailing within United Kingdom waters. Med TUNCER now passes the motor yacht Here Comes the Sun, which was sailing up the river to West India Dock in London. I have covered the motor yacht Here Comes the Sun in a separate video, so if you want to see that in more detail, please click on the link above. Coming up the river now is the cargo ship Lady Dawn on a sailing to here at Tilbury. Lady Dawn was built in 2009 and sails under the flag of the Netherlands. It is 95 metres long, 14 metres wide, and has a draft of 3.9 metres. On the left, as we look at it, the ship is flying the red ensign as a courtesy flag because it is sailing within UK waters. On the right-hand side, we see the house flag, which is the flag of the ship's owners. The ship also flies the flag of the Netherlands, as that is the country in which it is registered. We again see the Port of London Authority tender sailing over to Royal Terrace Pier at Gravesend. Coming down the river now is the cargo ship SHANNON on a sailing from Northfleet to Amsterdam. SHANNON was built in 1998 and sails under the flag of the Netherlands. It is 83 metres long, 12 metres wide, and has a draft of 2.8 metres. We see the red ensign on the left being flown as a courtesy flag and the owner's flag being flown on the right. At the back of the ship, you will see the flag of the Netherlands being flown, as that is a country in which the ship is registered. As we come to the end of the video, I would like to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to click the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos in the future. Thank you again for watching and see you in the next video.